Today, I talk about RoverTac multi-tool knife. In this multi-tool, you get knife which is very sharp, which you can work with very easily. Let's go unboxing this product. This product, it has RoverTac. It has nice cover. It has a stainless body and 9 screwdrivers, with which you can do your various tricks easily. The knife is very sharp and very comfortable to hold, and it's so light and easy to handle. Nice view. It has can opener and wire cutter. This knife is multi-tool. The best knife I ever seen. Works very easily. It is very easy to insert. If you want to buy the product, follow the link in the description.